Calendula, also known as pot marigold, is a bright and cheerful flowering plant that has been revered for its therapeutic properties for centuries. It is a member of the Asteraceae family, known for its healing capabilities, especially in the realms of skincare and wound healing. While calendula is in the same family as marigold, they are really distant cousins, so they appear somewhat similar but are not the same plant. Calendula's versatility extends beyond medicinal use to culinary applications, making it a valuable addition to any herbal repertoire. It is important to note that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider before trying anything new. Identification and growing habitats. Calendula officinalis, is a hardy annual plant that can grow up to 24 inches tall. It has vibrant yellow to deep orange daisy-like flowers with a slightly resinous scent. The leaves of the calendula are oblong, slightly hairy, and arranged alternately on the stem. Calendula thrives in well-drained soil and full sun, but is adaptable to various growing conditions. It is often found in gardens and fields across Europe, North America, and Western Asia. This plant is relatively easy to cultivate, making it a favorite among gardeners. Edible use. Calendula petals are edible and can be used to add color and a mildly tangy flavor to salads, soups, and stews. They can also be dried and used as a saffron substitute in cooking. The petals can be infused in oils or vinegar to create flavorful dressings and marinades. Medicinal uses and methods of treatment. Skin diseases, cuts, rashes, wounds, burns, cold sores, herpes, chickenpox, and irritations. Calendula is renowned for its skin healing properties. The flowers contain compounds that promote wound healing, reduce inflammation, and have antimicrobial effects. Topical applications of calendula can be made into ointments, creams, or poultices to treat cuts, rashes, burns, cold sores, herpes lesions, chickenpox, and other skin irritations. Anti-aging and collagen production. Calendula is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the skin from oxidative stress and promote the production of collagen. This can aid in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, keeping the skin youthful and firm. Muscle spasms, ulcers, and hemorrhoids. Calendula's anti-inflammatory properties make it useful in treating muscle spasms and ulcers. Infusions and extracts can be applied topically or taken internally, with caution, to alleviate these conditions. For hemorrhoids, calendula ointments and sitz baths can provide relief from pain and swelling. Stomach and intestinal diseases. Calendula can soothe the digestive tract and is used to treat conditions such as gastritis, peptic ulcers, and inflammatory bowel disease. It helps to reduce inflammation and promote healing of the mucous membranes. Immune system and lymphatic system. Calendula has immune-boosting properties and can support the lymphatic system. It helps to stimulate lymphatic drainage and detoxification, aiding in the removal of toxins from the body and supporting overall immune health. Menstruation and PMS. Calendula is known to help regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate PMS symptoms. It can reduce menstrual cramps and other associated discomforts. Herbal teas or tinctures can be used for these purposes. Oral health. Calendula's antimicrobial properties make it beneficial for oral health. It can be used as a mouthwash to treat gum inflammation, mouth ulcers, and throat infections. Gargling with calendula infusion can help soothe a sore throat and maintain oral hygiene. Inhibition of cancer. Preliminary studies suggest that calendula has anti-cancer properties due to its ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Its antioxidant compounds help in neutralizing free radicals, potentially lowering the risk of cancer. Liver, gallbladder, and whole-body detoxification. Calendula supports liver and gallbladder health by promoting bile production and aiding in detoxification. It can be included in detox regimens to help cleanse the body of toxins. Harvesting. Calendula flowers should be harvested when they are fully open, usually in the morning after the dew has dried. Gently pluck the flower heads and dry them in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. Once dried, store the flowers in an airtight container for future use. Warnings. While calendula is generally safe, it is important to exercise caution. Individuals allergic to plants in the Asteraceae family, such as daisies, chrysanthemums, and ragweed, may also be allergic to calendula. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid taking calendula internally due to potential risks. Always consult with the healthcare professional before starting any new herbal treatment. Calendula is a powerful and versatile herb that offers a wide range of benefits, from skin healing to digestive support. Its ease of cultivation and myriad uses make it an indispensable plant in herbal medicine. Whether used topically or with caution internally, calendula continues to be a treasured remedy in natural health practices.